What's up mga momshies? Mama Rafi here with the Gracies. And today, ang video namin is about our camping na ginawa namin dito lang malapit sa may bahay namin. Isa sa mga mountain top dito lang sa Batater. Enjoy! Hello! We're back on the road! Yeah. We're going to the mountain. Make a little bit of picnic. Yan, punta kami ng mountain. Mag-relax lang kami doon sa taas. Magbo-bonfire kami. And tea, coffee, some fruits. Yan. Let's check it out kung paano nila ginagawa yun. Sabi niya, every summer, sabi ni Baba, every summer, ginagawa nila yun. So, pa-experience niya sa amin ngayon. Yes!
Come on!
Yeah, see you later!
We're too fast now!
We're too fast! So, okay, we are here already sa campsite. Actually, sa gilid lang siya ng mountain talaga. May mga rock formations din. So, yan. Bababa na ni Habibi yung mga gamit natin.
Wala, Mama, it's dangerous. We cannot jump like a pool here.
Yeah, I know. Let's show them the view, okay? Ayan. Ito yung napili namin lugar kasi ang ganda ng overlooking niya.
Look, there's a purple light, Mama.
Ayan. Ito ang gabi dito.
Mama, there's a purple
Yes,
light.
since nasa mountain kami. Ayan ang ayan ang view ng city, ng bayan. Habibi, this view is for Beirut? Ayan ang view na ng Beirut. Side, Beirut side. Yeah, I saw it too, purple light. Yan. Since Sunday. Oh, Nura, no, please. Yes, no. So, since it's Sunday today, maraming mga party ang ganap, like, especially yung mga weddings, birthday. Actually, weddings ang pinaka sineselebrate talaga nila dito. Kakaiba ang pag-celebrate nila ng wedding. So, for sure, there's a wedding there. Diyan sa mga nakikita nyo may spotlights na yan. Yan. Isang lakas, oh. Nora! Ayan. Eto, kung makikita nyo dito sa banda na to, wala masyadong ilaw. Ayan na yung mountain side talaga. Which is dito rin sa kung nasaan kami. Ayan. Ayan si Nura. Ayan, dyan kami magka-camp. Kaya lang, maghahanap pa si Papa ng mga kahoy. Nawala na ilaw. Ayan. Maghahanap pa si Papa ng kahoy kasi walang kahoy. Nakalimutan namin magdala ng kahoy. Yeah, yes, because somebody already here. They put fire.
Yeah. And it's old now.
Where's our chair? Can you sit down here first, babe? Because we need to prepare the fire.
Okay.
So we can relax.
And eat. Wow! Look at that! Many stars!
Ang daming star. Ayan ang aming baon.
Oh, sige.
Yung dinala kong baon. Yeah, some snacks, fruits, and tea, and coffee.
And chicken feet.
What? Chicken feet?
Papa is going where?
Papa, we're gonna go find some wood.
The wood.
Yeah, put it here. Put it here. Put it here.
I don't want.
Papa is preparing for... Give me.
Where I find
Mama, if we touch the spotlight, my hand go like this straight. When I'm huge.
Baba, be careful. Magliblib na
Careful.
kasi dito. Oh, ang daming ano, oh. It's dangerous.
Yes, dangerous. There's one more. They drink medicine and they throw it.
Come on, let's go back because Papa will find... No, it's dangerous, baby. We cannot go past there. See? There's already lots of broken.
Mama, this is forbidden.
Yeah, I know.
This is bad.
What?
This is bad
Bad for what?
for this garden. They throw trash now and they get old and they get angry and
Okay.
spiky
Okay. But why?
because they don't want to throw garbage here. But we're here to save them. We will take out the woods and the rocks, but we're making fire. Papa? Ya Baba?
What?
Look at that sound.
No! Don't play with the sun, Baba.
I love it. It's from the beach.
Okay, come here. Mama will prepare.
Friends, Mama.
Yeah. Okay, come.
It's my shoes.
Yan lang ang nakuha niyang woods. So, pupunta pa siya sa bandang malayo. Yung nadaanan namin may mga puno doon. So, ayan, nagkukuha muna siya ng mga pang-start ng fire. Yan, pinainit ko na rin yung tubig para sa tsaa. Mainit!
Don't worry, Papa.
Don't go there. There's a fire. See?
I'll turn this way.
Where are you going?
Papa, what are you picking?
what I will do. Come, bring the light with me. Come.
Careful, ha?
The music.
Yeah, I know. Careful. Put the light to Papa. Oo. Oh, come. Nice.
What is this thing? Can you clean the pond, please?
Oh, Habibi, what did you do to your phone? Wala, oh. Did it fall?
No.
What happened? Why it's full of sand? Ayan, dito, habang hinihintay namin si Papa na ayusin yung ating bonfire, napapasayo pa si Nora ng Macarena dito. Nakakatuwa lang kasi hindi siya naiinip. As long as na meron siyang music na naririnig, sasayaw, kakanta lang siya. Ganyan siya kabibong bata. Ayan, at this moment, nagkakantahan kami ni Nana. And habang hinihintay pa rin namin lumakas yung apoy kasi since konti lang yung kahoy na nakuha namin at medyo mahirap siyang sindihan. Medyo natagalan rin kami sa pagpaparingas kasi hindi enough yung maliliit na tangkay para mag-start yung apoy tsaka wala kami mga dalang papers. So, official na hindi kami handa. Ganun lang yon. Yan, lakas na ng fire. Nakakuha siya ng mga tuyong damo.
Want to make the fire on. Rafi. When the fire go, we will go home. That's it. No tea, no coffee, no.
Lassie! That's why! We can get some food.
Whoa! Whoa!
Come here. Nana, come here. Come here. This side ka.
Let's get ready for more customers.
Whoa! Whoa!
Nice!
It's nice. They have the heat here and then in your back cold.
Put more. Papa, put more. It's melting. Put more.
I need the wood to turn on. I don't need only fire.
The spot is really nice, but we cannot find the.
What?
The spot is really nice, but we cannot find much of woods too.
Next time we just make this small fire, then we bring our wood. Or we stop there, we bring the wood and come back. Wow!
Nice, yeah, Papa?
going too near to me. It's good. Gumbo.
This one is nice to start the fire.
This is from the
Pine leaves?
pine trees, yeah. It will fall down.
We should keep it.
Good. Good, your Papa?
Yeah.
Boy life. No, not the tissue.
Mura, don't waste the tissue, Dada. Tinky Winky.
I think you're winky, Papa.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, do this. Do this. Yeah.
May pa lang.
Nura, where are you?
Aww, snail.
It's what?
Snail.
I saw something nice here.
Hmm?
I saw something nice here.
This one. This one?
A chocolate bar here. Oh, Nana's eyes is not Tinky Winky.
Papa, again.
Wait, I will see.
Here's for you. See,
Mom.
Nana?
It looked like a straw.
Look at the stars. Ang galing, dinig na dinig dito yung mga eroplanong dumadaan. Ayan, nag-start na yung woods. Mag-fire ng woods. You like it here, Nana?
I want to sleep in here.
You can. You see the dog that came here?
No.
I shot on him, he ran away.
Look, it looks like
So, at this moment, unti-unti na siya talagang lumalamig. So, since madilim yung lugar, hindi namin napapansin na nagpapag na pala siya. Kaya, biglang lamig siya. So, you can see si Nana, nilagyan ko na ng jacket. Kinaveran ko na yung ulo niya. Kasi, sobrang lamig na. And, ito nga palang camping na to is trial lang namin. Kasi, biglaan lang siya since nag-off si Papa Firas this day. And yun nga, pinakita lang namin sa inyo kung ano yung pwedeng magawa dito pagka nagka-camping ng gabi. And mostly, sabi ni Firas, nag-e-enjoy ng kwentuhan, yung bonding moment lang ba ng family and friends, kung may mga kasamang friends din. And yun nga, and after nitong mamatay ang fire, umuwi na rin kami kasi sobrang lamig niya na talaga. And nung pagbukas ni Firas ng kotse, ng sasakyan, nagmo-moist na siya sa loob kasi ganun na pala talaga lamig yung fog na hindi namin napapansin. So, hopefully, on our next video, you will still support us and like. And please, if you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you'll get notified with our recent videos that we're going to upload. See you all on our next video. Bye for now. God bless.